A woman just bought herself a new black sports car. She goes to the countryside where there are no streetlights to test the car. And she's driving quite fast, and she did not turn on the lights on the car. The moon cannot be spotted, and suddenly a man in black clothes crosses the street in front of the car. The woman is able to stop the car in time and allow the man to cross the street. So the question is, how did the woman spot the man? This is an example of lateral question. So in this story I gave you some hints about the story, but I did not tell you everything that you need to know to answer this question, and so your brain fills in the missing information. I talked a lot about the color black, and I gave you information that is related to the night, so most likely your brain painted a picture of the scene where it's happening at the night. But the answer to this question is that it was a sunny and beautiful day, and it was easy for the woman to spot the man and allow him to cross the street. You can find several lateral questions online, and it's a good way to train your brain to think differently. Another way to train our lateral thinking is to connect our problem with a random word. So on next picture you will see a random word. So I suggest you focus on your problem, have something that you want to solve, and connect it with the random word I'm going to show you. And the random word is bottle. And for example, if I want to increase sales, I can think of that bottles are often sold 6 together, or how can I sell 6 items of my product together. Those who buy bottles can also return them and get money for the bottle, empty bottle, and I can ask myself, how can I give returning customers something of value? Bottles can also be used for different purpose than just storing drinks. For example, it can be used as a flower vase or to store candles. So I could ask, how can my customers use my product for something that they are not using it for today? So I encourage you to choose something that you want to create, choose a problem that you want to solve, and focus on how you can relate it to a bottle and see where that leads you.